during the production of solar panels, in order to reduce the current of each solar cell and improve its power generation efficiency. Full cells such as 210 mm or 180 mm are cut into halves or thirds before string soldering. Previously, laser cutting was used to split the cells entirely from end to end, but this method caused a decline in power generation efficiency in the cut areas. To overcome this drawback, we developed a cost-effective non-destructive laser cutting machine. This machine uses lasers to cut the edges of the cells, followed by laser heating of the cutting area and rapid cooling with water, causing the cells to naturally split without damage. This ensures that the power generation efficiency of cells processed with the non-destructive laser cutting method remains unchanged. This machine is especially suitable for producing solar modules with smaller cell sizes.